PHP super global post. So we want to talk about the PHP post super global variable, and in the post method the data is sent to the server as a package in a separate communication within the processing script. That is, data sent through post method will not be visible in the URL. So you can understand now that if you want to send more secured information like password, credit card information, you have to use the post method. PHP post method is the one which is used to collect form data after submitting, and you use the method post. And take note, post is widely used to pass variables because it is more secure. So let's see it. So what I've done is I'm using the same file like we used in our get method, but I'm only going to change number one, this method from get to post. And I'm also going to change this from get to post. And also this from get to post, since we are collecting the data through post now. So let's open the post variable file. Now it's the same form, so all we need to do is take note of the URL variable.php. there's nothing coming after it. If I enter here Kim Kanye again and submit, you can see your name is Kim Kanye is showing on the screen, but if we check the URL, because you can see there is nothing attached to it. So this is the major difference between this and the get variable. In post variable, you cannot collect information from the URL. Number two, you cannot see the information on the URL, and two, it is more secure because the information is sent invisibly as a package by the PHP script without showing it on the browser or the URL. So I would always advise that for things that has to do with password information, user information, encrypted information, you use the post super global variable. So guys, this is it, and I'll see you in the next one.